Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video, and on this video we are about to show you how to fix little icon missing on your Facebook app. As you all know, Meta platform has introduced a new feature where you can share reels directly from your Facebook app. If the Facebook reel icon is missing on your app and you'd like to share the reels from your app, what you do, you just go to your Play Store, then type Facebook and look whether the Facebook app is out of date. If it is out of date, you have to update it. After updating the app, you have to open it, and you notice that the icon, since this is a new feature, the icon will start showing on the newly updated app. It is there now. You can share your reels directly from your app. When you tap on reels, you can directly share by taking reel with the camera or sharing the already recorded reel with your phone. That is all about fixing a missing reel icon on your Facebook app.